After being bullied, this boy knocked on his neighbor's door looking for friends. The video goes viral.
Hi. I just wanted to see if you knew any kids around like 11 or 12 maybe, because I need some friends, like really bad.
So the house is to your right. There's two kids that live there.
That one or that one?
The first one that you pointed to.
This
Yes.
one? Okay. Well, they're not my friends anymore, because, they're bullies to me.
Oh, I'm sorry about that, man.
They keep bullying me.
Nah, man, I've only got a...
I mean, well, do you have any kids?
Yeah, she's 2 years old, though, man.